everyone, it's Sumi. Today we're making my most favorite vegan eggplant recipe. It's pan-fried baby eggplants cooked in a rich, spiced coconut, peanut and sesame gravy. Hyderabadi Baingan or Bagara Baingan. It's so flavorful, so let's get cooking. We're going to start by soaking a lime-sized sphere of tamarind in 1 cup of hot water for at least 10 minutes, and we're going to set this aside. While that's happening, we're going to take around 500 grams of Indian baby eggplants, which is around 20 to 25 pieces. We're going to rinse them thoroughly and pat dry. We're going to slit our eggplants twice. This way the gravy can enter the eggplants while cooking and infuse them with all of that lovely flavor. And we're going to do this 3/4 of the way. We're also going to check on the inside to make sure that the eggplant is okay. Now that our eggplants have been prepped, we're going to set a pan on medium-high heat to which we're adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. We're using sunflower oil, but you can use any flavorless oil of your choice. We're going to add in all of our slit eggplants. Fry them for around 2 minutes. We're then going to reduce the heat to medium, cover the pan with a lid, and let all of our eggplants cook for around 15 minutes. While that's happening, we're going to start making the paste for our gravy. Here we have a mixer grinder to which we've added 1 cup of fresh grated coconut. We're using frozen coconut that we've thawed, 3/4 of a cup of roasted unsalted peanuts. You can also use raw unsalted peanuts. And 1/3 of a cup of roasted sesame seeds. Once again, you can just use plain sesame seeds. And we want to use white sesame seeds to maintain the color of the gravy. To this, we're also going to add a tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Kashmiri chili doesn't have much heat, it's only to bring that vibrant color to the gravy. A teaspoon of cumin powder and a tablespoon of coriander seed powder. We're also going to add 1 cup of water to blend all of this easily. And we're going to grind this till smooth, and this is the consistency that we're looking for. We're checking on our eggplants after the 15-minute mark to make sure that they're not burning and to see how well they're cooking. These definitely need some more time, so we're going to cover the pan with the lid once again and let them cook for around 10 minutes or until a fork passes through an eggplant with ease while they still maintain their shape. It's time to make our gravy. So in a pot on medium-high heat, we're adding 1 tablespoon of cooking oil once again. We're using sunflower oil. Adding a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds or methi seeds. You can find this at any Indian grocery store. We're going to give this a few seconds, and once the methi seeds begin to turn to a reddish color, we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida, followed by 15 to 20 curry leaves. Fry this for a couple of seconds. And to this, we're going to add 1/2 cup of water very carefully. This is so that once we add in our ground paste, it doesn't splutter and splash at us. But please be careful during this step as well. Now that our water is in, we're going to add in our ground up paste. Like you can see, it's not spluttering or splashing too much. We're going to mix all of this really well. And it's time to add in our tamarind infused water. So for that, we're just going to strain out all of the tamarind and just add in our water, which is 1 cup of water. Mix this well once again. And we're going to reduce the heat to medium, cover our pot with the lid, and cook for around 10 minutes to cook out the raw smell of the tamarind. It's been 10 minutes, so we're going to open our pot and we're going to add 2 teaspoons of garam masala. And add in our pan-fried eggplants. We're going to salt this to taste and also add 2 teaspoons of jaggery or brown sugar to balance out all of the flavor. Once everything's been incorporated, we're going to partially cover our pot now and cook until the oil begins to float on top, which should take around 10 to 12 minutes. Once the oil starts floating on top, that means the gravy is completely cooked. This looks great. We're just going to give this a minute or so. And it's ready to serve. You can serve this curry with rotis, or you can also have it with rice or any grain of your choice. It keeps really well in the fridge for around 2 to 3 days in an airtight container. And this gravy is so delicious that you'll keep wanting to make it. Let me know how it goes in the comments below, and please like and subscribe for more such videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye!